In this video, I'm going to show you a highly profitable trading strategy with a proven win rate. And the first step is to subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. And the second step is to keep watching. So go below this video and click the link at the top of the description. It will take you to Bitflex, the trading interface and the trading platform we will be using for this strategy. Just create your account, takes 20 seconds. If you deposit $100, you will be getting a deposit bonus. Now let's go into the strategy. I will use a combination of 3 indicators: the stochastic RSI, the normal RSI, and the MACD. First, let's begin with the stochastic indicator. So go to the indicator tab on your TradingView account, type stochastic and select this one right here. If you don't have TradingView, just click the link down below. I have a link to TradingView. If you use my link, you will get a discount. Anyway, so this indicator that you will have on TradingView will help you to identify if the market is overbought or oversold. It has 2 parts. The blue line is the K percentage and the orange line is the D percentage. When traders use the stochastic indicator alone, they often make a common mistake. They take a buy position when it hits oversold and a sell position when it hits overbought. Relying solely on this indicator will lead you to a low win rate. So to improve your trading strategy, you should combine the stochastic indicator with other indicators for better results. Let's go to the second indicator you will use in this strategy, the RSI. Go to the indicators tab, type RSI and select this one here. It's a very popular indicator used in trading. Usually traders use the RSI to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. But since you already have the stochastic indicator for that purpose, using both indicators to give the same signals, it's useless. Instead, you will use the RSI as a confirmation indicator for identifying trends. To do this, you should go to the indicator settings, click here, then click style and change the upper and lower bands to 50. Here you have a single line in the middle, which you can easily use to confirm trends. If the RSI is above the middle line, the price is on an uptrend. So you should only take buy positions. On the other hand, if the RSI is below the middle line, the price is in a downtrend, and you should only take then sell positions, of course. Now let's talk about the third indicator called the MACD or the MACD. Go to the indicators tab, type MACD and select this one right here. It's a very popular indicator for spotting momentum. One common way to use it is by taking a buy position when the MACD line crosses above the signal line and taking a sell position when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. But this strategy works best when the market is trending. On the other hand, when the market is moving sideways, the MACD often gives false signals. So for this combination strategy, you won't simply buy or sell because of the MACD crosses over. Instead, you will use it to confirm and ensure that the momentum is in your favor. That's how the stochastic RSI and MACD strategy works. And if you, by the way, want to make $100 per hour with a scalping strategy that I'm using, don't forget to click this video that is popping up right here, right now. That's a great video that I have already published, so go check it out. And by the way, make sure that you sign up to Bitflex. It only takes 20 seconds and make your first deposit of only $100. Then you will get a bonus and then you can start trying these strategies. So to start derivatives trading on Bitflex, you need to first click on derivatives at the top of your menu bar, click on USDT perpetual, and it will take you to the corresponding trading interface. Select the asset you want to trade up here in the upper left corner. Now choose your order type from limit, market, or conditional. Enter your trade details right here, such as the quantity, price, and leverage. Confirm your order details and click on buy, long, or sell short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you can view its details under the positions tab. Now, let's start by looking at the entry signal of these 3 indicators to identify a buy signal. First, look at the stochastic indicator and wait for both the K and D lines to hit oversold. Next, use the RSI to confirm an uptrend by ensuring it is above the middle line. Finally, use the MACD to validate the upward momentum by waiting for the MACD line to cross above the signal line. Once this happens, you should make sure that both stochastic lines have not hit overbought yet. If all the rules are met, it's time for you to take a buy position. Let's find a sell signal. First, look at the stochastic indicator, wait for both the K and the D lines to hit overbought, then check the RSI indicator to confirm a downtrend, make sure the RSI is below the middle line. Next, use the MACD indicator to confirm downward momentum by waiting for the MACD line to cross below the signal line. Also, you should make sure that neither the K or D lines have hit oversold. Once all these rules are met, take a sell position. For your exit strategy, if you took buy positions, place your stop loss just below the nearest swing low, set your profit target 1.5 times your stop loss. Similarly, if you took sell positions, put your stop loss just above the nearest swing high and set a profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. Let me show you an example. You can see here in the chart that both the K and D lines are oversold, indicating that you will take a buy position. To confirm the upwards trend, check that the RSI is above the middle line. Additionally, wait for the MACD line to cross above the signal line and ensure that neither of the stochastic lines have reached the overbought level. Once all these conditions are met, take a buy position, place your stop loss below the nearest swing low and set your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. Let me show you another example. You can see here in the chart that both K and D lines are at overbought, indicating you will take a sell position. Then to confirm a downtrend, you should check that the RSI is below the middle line. Next, use MACD to confirm further here the downtrend momentum by waiting for the MACD line to cross below the signal line, ensuring that both the K and D lines have not hit oversold. Once this happens, you take a sell position, place your stop loss above the closest swing high and set your profit target at 1.5 times your stop loss. And I'm gonna make a prediction right now. I predict that this video will get 2,000 likes. Let's see, guys. Check below if we have 2,000 likes or not. Thank you guys for that support. And also don't forget that if you want to work in crypto, whether it's for Bybit, Binance, Bitflex, any crypto company out there, link down below to cryptojobs.com. The biggest and best crypto jobs board in the world. I created it, it's my board, and just go check it out if you want to work in crypto, and if you want to hire people in crypto, you can go check it out. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and subscribe. See you in the next video. You can actually go check this video out right now. It's very beautiful. We'll make you some money. See you over there. Bye bye.